Hello everyone. Today I'm excited to present a paper titled An Approach to Detect Abusive Bangla Text. I'm Mukhtar Rahman Juboraj and I'll be walking you through the key aspect of the research. Let's start with a brief overview of the paper. The primary focus is on detecting abusive text in Bangla language, addressing the rising concern of cybercrime in Bangladesh. We will discuss the proposed algorithm and the utilization of unigram string features to enhance the accuracy of the detection. Before diving into the details, let's familiarize ourselves with the keywords that will be central of our discussion. Abusive text, Bangla language, natural language processing, and unigram. In the introduction, we will provide an overview of natural language processing and its challenges. Natural language processing is a dynamic field in computer science, facilitating communication between computers and humans. A research in NLP grows its applications span various sectors, including customer services, automotive, and healthcare. According to Tractica 2017 report, the market for NLP hardware, software, and services is projected to reach 22.3 billion by 2025. This growth is attributed to the increasing adoption of artificial intelligence in software service solutions. Moving on to the background of the Bangla language, we'll share some interesting fact about its global significance, the number of native and total speakers worldwide, and the statistics on internet and social media usage in Bangladesh. Bangla is spoken by 205 million native speakers in 2010, and the seventh most spoken native language globally, covering 3.05% of the total world population. We will then delve into the specific statistics related to cyberbullying in Bangladesh, such as the number of Facebook users, the gender distribution among users, and the prevalence of cyberbullying among students and women. In Bangladesh, where social networking has become an integral part of life, incidents of cyber oppression, online nuances, and blackmailing through platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are on the rise. Identifying a research gap, we'll discuss the lack of extensive research on abusive text detection in Bangla language, underscoring the opportunity for exploration in this field. The paper aims to contribute to filling this gap, especially given the increasing instances of cybercrime, including online harassment and cyberbullying. Now let's explore the proposed technique. The goal is to detect abusive Bangla text using a novel algorithm. Unigram string features are introduced to capture the essence of abusive language more effectively. The approach is crucial for addressing the unique characteristics of Bangla language in online communication. Before we move forward, let's review related work in this field. Previously, research on abusive text detection, particularly in the context of social media, has explored various approaches and methodologies. For instance, researchers have used machine learning-based methods, regression models, and lexicon synthetic features to identify offensive content in online user comment. Acknowledging the challenges encountered, we'll discuss the difficulties in processing Bangla text, especially when compared to English. The complex structure and usage of words in the Bangla language pose significant challenges. Additionally, differentiating between hate speech, funny speech, and abusive speech can be intricate. Now let's move on to the methodology section. The approach involves collecting a diverse dataset from Facebook pages, Guatemala news, and YouTube channels. Surveys are conducted to level comments, considering public opinion to determine if a comment is abusive or not. The pre-processing steps include removing special characters, punctuation, and Unicode emotion manually, focusing solely on Bangla Unicode characters. The proposed algorithm at the heart of the research in the training phase weight for abusive and non-abusive comments are calculated based on the label data. For each word in a comment, the algorithm updates the weight, contributing to the overall understanding of abusive language. The testing phase involves classifying comments by comparing the total weights for abusive and non-abusive categories. Feature extraction is a crucial aspect of the approach. 3 types of string properties are utilized in this experiment: unigram, bigram, and trigram. Unigram features capture individual word relevancy. Bigram features consider the correlation between successive words, and the trigram features analyze the correlation between 3 successive words. These features play a vital role in the algorithm's ability to detect abusive language. Moving on to the experimental results, the dataset is divided into sets of 100, 200, and 300 comments. The results showcase the correctness of the approach, highlighting the number of accurate and inaccurate classification for both abusive and non-abusive comments. As the dataset size increases, the accuracy of the algorithm improves, showcasing its effectiveness. In the discussion section, plans for future work are shared. The goal is to implement the entire process to make it faster and more automated. Additionally, there is an aim to integrate the algorithm with various machine learning algorithms such as naive Bayes, random forest, and support vector machine to observe if the results become more accurate than previous methods. The incorporation of new features is also proposed to enhance accuracy and modify the algorithm to differentiate between various types of sentences. In conclusion, the objective and the achievement of the paper are summarized, while acknowledging the limitations, opportunities, and improvements are highlighted. The importance of natural language processing in various applications, coupled with the increasing prevalence of cybercrime, emphasizing the need for ongoing research in Bangla language processing. The root-level algorithm is believed to provide a foundation for future advancement in this field. I invite any question and discussion from the audience. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment box, and thank you so much for listening to this presentation.